I'm Nick, the head of tax at Crypto Tax Calculator. And in this video, I just want to quickly detail Form 1040 for US taxpayers. Form 1040 is your general tax return for individuals, and it encompasses multiple sections. These sections include your personal information, such as your social security number, as well as address, things of that nature. Then you have the income section that has income like your job, any self-employment income, interest, dividends, capital gains from cryptocurrency sales, and things of that nature. Then you have any adjustments to your income. You also have any credits or deductions, if you have a child or any dependents, things of that nature. Then there's a section, for any other reportable income, any payments made, things of that nature. And at the very end, you'll have either a refund or a gain based on your total tax return and all of the information you provide. So just real quick, your Form 1040 is your general individual tax return that encompasses all of your cryptocurrency activity as well as any other income from your job or any other self-employment income that you have made. Thank you.